Hey everybody, it's Maya here from Maya Palmer Designs with another design tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deliver freebies via email using Flodesk. Okay, so now I'm logged into my Flodesk account. If you were brought to a page with a bunch of templates when you logged in, all you have to do is click this Flodesk logo in the top left corner and it will take you to your emails page. I actually want to create an automated email that automatically sends when someone opts-in for the freebie. And so I'm going to click workflows. And now I'll create a new workflow and I want to deliver a freebie. And so let's choose lead magnet delivery. And now I'm going to customize. And you'll notice that there's only one email in this workflow, and that's perfect because I only want to send one email that delivers the freebie. And so the first thing we have to do is add a trigger. I already have a segment created in Flodesk for this particular freebie, so I'll be choosing that. And you'll see this first option says, begin this workflow when a subscriber is added to segment. And now select that segment, which is my brand and site clarity checklist. If you didn't have the segment created and you needed to create a new one, all you had to do was start typing in this box to create the segment titled whatever you need it to be. And in my tutorial on how to create an opt-in page for your freebies, within the form that I created, I chose for anyone who fills out that form to be added to the same brand and site clarity checklist so that it'll match up, and once they fill out that opt-in, they'll automatically be sent this email. And if you're not sure how to create the opt-in page, I'll put a link to that tutorial in the description below. So now that I have my segment selected for what will trigger the email to be sent, let's customize our email. I'll just go over here and click edit. So now I'm going to customize my email, and then I'll talk about a few things that I included that you might want to include in yours as well. I'm not going to make you sit here and watch me customize the whole thing just for the sake of your time. Okay, so now I have my email customized. I'll just talk to you about a few things that I did. I'm a brand and Showit web designer over at mypalmerdesigns.com, and my freebie has to do with a brand and website clarity checklist. So just to give you some context so that the email makes sense, it says a freebie to help you on your business journey, and then I basically go into here's your checklist, and I congratulated them on taking a step towards building the brand and site of your dreams. Just don't be afraid to be personal with it and really connect with your audience. You can use whatever language feels right for your brand and your business, however you talk, but don't be afraid to be a little informal here and make a personal connection. And then I have the title of my freebie and this short description, and then the button to download it. And now that we have our email customized, it's time to add in the link so that they can download the freebie. And so I've clicked on the button, and now I'll just click this link option to the right, and I'll click attach a file, and then I'll go into my computer and choose my freebie file. It's that easy. And then underneath my email text, I just changed the final salutation here, and then I left the Instagram feed, so not much else is different. But yeah, that's pretty much all you have to do to attach your freebie to an email. And now we'll click finish, and you can change your subject line here on the right. I'm going to use a headline that's kind of similar to what you might see on a sales page. It's say bye-bye to frustration and hello to brand and site clarity. And now our automated email is ready to go. So we'll just click this publish button and then click publish now, and we're done. I hope that this video has been helpful in helping you set up a automated freebie delivery email in Flodesk. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and subscribe for more tutorials every Friday. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.